Hello everyone and welcome back to Special Crypto YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to check out another awesome and a very amazing product which is known as SATO Token. So before going further into the video, I am going to give you a small disclaimer that do your own research as well. I am not a financial advisor. So here we are back on the site and you can check out SATO Token. It's built on the base chain as well as the social media handles such as X, Telegram, and TikTok as well as Facebook handles are given here. So must check it out. Down here you can check out SATO is a decentralized meme coin born on the base network and originally launched with minimal utility beyond its meme value. After a period of abandonment by the original developers, the product was revived by a passionate community of holders who refused to let SATO fade into the obscurity. So you can check it out. Also you can check out the token details such as deployed on base network, mint function is none, ownership has been renounced, total supply is 100% to circulation, taxes are none, and dev wallet is also not. Also you can buy it onto the Uniswap. You can come to the Uniswap, enter the currency you want to give, and then check out how much tokens you will get. Just connect and convert. So coming back to the side, you can check out they have already been deployed on CoinGecko as well as CoinMarketCap. Also they are available on Dex Screener, Dex Tools as well as Gems of Page and Gecko Terminal and much more. Also you can check out the SATO gallery is available on the website. You can check out SATO pictures. Also if you scroll you can check out they also have NFT features. Originally there were 5,000 NFTs that were launched by original team and now you can see 100 more are added. So make sure you check out on OpenSea their NFTs as well. Also some pictures are given on the side. Also, they have already answered all of the frequently asked questions that are coming in their mind, such as what is SATO, how you can trade SATO, what is official contract address, what are SATO NFTs, and what is Woofto. Each and everything is given here. So if you have more questions, you can read out their white paper as well. It's available here on the website. Also, you can tell me about your questions into the comment section. I will reply you as soon as possible. Also, you can ask from the developers of the product on their social media handles as well. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe this channel. I will meet you soon. So till then, take care and have a nice day.